What's the best way to make sure my customers feel appreciated? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new payment in Square. Then we'll be formatting the data and composing a thank you email using the AI Wizard by Workload. And finally, we'll be sending that email in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Square to Wizard to Gmail. I'm going to click inside the trigger box and I'm going to select Square as my triggering app. And the event is going to be a new payment. Make sure I'm connected to Square. If you have trouble logging into the apps in this workflow, check out the blog in the description. Then we're going to test our trigger. And we have a new payment. So you can see here, this contains all the details of the payment and what the product was that was purchased. And this also includes data about the person doing the purchasing. So if you have a customer saved within Square, those details will come up as part of the response to this new payment trigger. So we're going to use this payment to set up our workflow, but I need to pull out some of the details about what was bought so that we can put it into the AI wizard. So I'm going to click continue. My first step is going to be the AI wizard by workload. And the event is going to be prompt your data. The input data is going to come from our trigger. And it's going to be this line items array. And we're going to copy this prompt from below here where it says, turn this array into an object. We'll just paste that right in. Click continue. And then we'll test this action. And we have a success. Now the details of that item that was purchased are outside the array, so we can use them. We'll click continue. I'm going to add a step by clicking on the plus sign. This is also going to be our AI wizard by workload. We're going to prompt your data. The input for this is going to be the name of the customer. And that's going to come from the original trigger. And the given name, space, and the family name. And then the product is going to come from that step 2, and that's going to be the name of the product. And I'm going to prompt the AI wizard by saying, compose an email to the customer thanking them for buying the product. Include their name in the greeting and use this salutation. Sincerely, Elliot Workload, Customer Relations. I'm going to click continue, and we'll test the action. Dear Creed Bratton, thank you for purchasing the Pacers jersey. We appreciate your business and hope you enjoy your new product. If you have any questions or concern, please don't hesitate to reach out. So that looks great. So I'm going to click continue. I'm going to add a step. This is going to be in Gmail. We are going to send an email. Make sure I'm connected to Google. The 2 for this email is going to come from that initial trigger. And we're going to find the email address of our customer. The from email, I'm just going to use my work email address. And I'm going to copy that and paste it as the reply to. The subject was created by our AI wizard. Thank you for your purchase. And the body is going to come from that AI wizard as well, which is the message. All right, so we'll click continue and we'll test this action. We have a success. The message was sent. So I'll click continue. I can come over to my email and go to my sent email. And you can see that email was sent with the details about their purchase. So it looks like our workflow is working properly. I can check and make sure there's a green dot in the corner of each of my nodes. Then I can activate my workflow. And now every time there's a purchase made through Square, the details of that purchase will be formatted properly and then turned into an email and sent through Gmail. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that will automatically send a thank you email to your customers whenever they make a purchase through Square. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or any suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.